Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. So. Welcome back for another lesson of biology. Today we are going through lesson 38 of chapter 15, classwork 15.2 part 1. Before you start watching the video, remember to like and subscribe my channel and also share the video to your classmates. Let's start. A man just came out of a cinema and was waiting bus at a bus stop. The photograph below shows a bus coming towards the bus stop. A1. Describe the response of his eyes when he stepped out from the cinema. Give you some hints, it is very dark in the cinema. That means the boy is going from a dark place to a bright place. What happens to his eyes? There should be a change in size in the pupil. The pupil should become smaller. The pupil constricts. What causes the pupil to constrict? You have to describe the muscles which are responsible for regulating the pupil. That is, the iris muscles. In your eye, there are two types of iris muscles. You have the circular iris muscles and the radial iris muscles. In a bright light condition, your circular iris muscles, they will contract. So now the pupil becomes smaller in the size. While for the radial muscles on the side, they are looking like straight lines. They just do nothing. They will relax. So let's write down the circular iris muscles contract, while for the radial iris muscles, they relax, do nothing. So now the pupil is smaller. A2. What is the importance 重要性 of such response mentioned in A1? What is the importance of having a smaller pupil? This is because in the bright light, the light can be very strong, so with a smaller pupil, it helps to reduce the amount of light going into the eye. If you have less amount of light going into the eye, so it helps to protect your eye from damage by the strong light. Prevent your retina, 視網膜, or you can say photoreceptors, from damaging by the strong light. Question B. Describe what will happen to the different parts of the eyes when the bus is moving towards the bus stop. First of all, there are different parts in your eye which helps focusing, looking at an object clearly. So what are the different parts? There should be 3 of them. They work as a group together. They should be the ciliary muscles, the suspensory ligaments, and also the lens. The 3 of them, they work as a group together for focusing object at different distance. Now, the bus is moving towards you. You are looking at something moving towards you, so you are having a case of looking at near object. So what will happen for the 3 structure when they look at a near object? Let's take a look. First of all, the ciliary muscles is going to contract. So this is the first case. Ciliary muscles contract. Next, what happens to the suspensory ligaments? The suspensory ligaments is going to be loosened, 鬆咗. And then at the end, the lens is going to become thinner or thicker. It should be thicker. The lens becomes thicker. This is part number 3. But is it the end for this question? No, I would like you to get one more point, one extra point. That is, after the lens becomes thicker, what happens to the light that is entering your eye? They are going to have a stronger, more refraction. So point number 4, the light is refracted more, 折射多咗, and focused onto the retina. This is point number 4.